How much time should students allocate for checking exam work? Imagine finishing your exam and feeling confident, but then wondering if you missed something. How much time should you really spend reviewing your answers? Well, studies suggest that students should set aside about 5 to 10% of their total exam time for checking their work. For example, if your test lasts 60 minutes, spending around 3 to 6 minutes at the end to review is a good rule of thumb. This extra time helps you catch careless mistakes, verify calculations, and make sure all questions are answered. Checking your work is a key test-taking skill that can boost your accuracy and even raise your score. It involves reviewing answers for errors, making sure you answered all parts of multi-step problems, and confirming you followed instructions correctly. Planning to review helps prevent rushing through the last few minutes or skipping it altogether. A practical way to do this is to answer questions steadily and leave a few minutes before the end to review. Focus on questions that carry the most points or that you found tricky. Use your review time to look for common mistakes like misreading questions, calculation errors, or skipped steps. Stay calm and focused during this review so you can spot errors you might miss if you're rushing. Remember, integrating a dedicated review period into your exam strategy is a smart move. It acts as a final check to improve your work and boost your confidence. But be careful not to spend too much time reviewing, or you'll run out of time to answer questions properly. Balance your answering and reviewing time based on how long the exam is and how difficult the questions are. In general, aim to spend about 5 to 10% of your total exam time on checking your work. Plan your time so you can finish answering early enough to review thoroughly. Use that review period to look for mistakes, confirm your answers, and make any necessary corrections. This simple step can make a big difference in your exam results and help you build better test-taking habits for the future.